Hello. I don't usually do this, but if someone asks me, and if you're in my Discord, I will do videos for some stocks that you are requesting. RVSN has been on my radar, where I have made lots of money doing it, doing this exact system. But unfortunately, this stock has been just going down and down and down. It went all the way to $2, and now it's all the way back down to 65 cents. I played this many times. According to my system, where I love to play it is I always play the skipping the EMA. We had to first see, are we in an uptrend? And stocks don't always maintain uptrends, right? As you can see, if the EMA 50 is at the very bottom, that is an uptrend along with the 20. And you can play these bounce effects on these EMAs. But the problem is, if you don't have a stop loss, sometimes stocks go right through it all, and if you don't take conservative gains, like I did actually play this on the EMA 50, went a little lower than I thought it would, but I'll show you the weekly chart too and how I averaged in, and we made massive money on this candle here that went up, but I didn't play it again. But as you can see, the EMA 50 is now at the top, and are we surprised that this was actually big rejection? Absolutely not. This kind of got retail traders to get lured in, come close to touching this 50 and 20 and rejects really hard. So, and now we're just in this downward spiral till we come out of it. I can see there's big big support here. You know, we can see right here, it's kind of like where we broke out right in here. So, we are kind of consolidating in this range right in here. Not really much doing, not really much happening. So we're just going zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. But I just want to encourage you guys, respect a stop loss. Don't be the person that has to get it right every time. I always tell people that the best traders are good losers. They you know, if you are able to take a loss and accept the fact that nothing is guaranteed, you will be a much better trader, knowing that, you know, you're coming in here knowing that, hey, I can lose this amount, and my profit target is always 10%. That's what I teach. I always teached it, and I made pretty good money on here. When we skip the EMA 5, I only play usually the 10 and the 50. The 50 EMA is my most favorite one on the daily chart. But and then the 10. As you can see, when you skip the 5 and go to the 10, you get this massive move up of 50%. Literally in one day, making massive returns. This was a big percentage. But when price comes back down to these EMAs, we don't take it again. Because think about it. If price comes up, that's just an algo pump. And if it just keeps going up, then it's resuming an uptrend. But if it comes back down to the same support, you're knocking on that wall again, and you could potentially break through it. And that's what we had here. Bounce here on the 10, come down, bounce a little, come down. And then if you keep playing it, don't keep playing the same thing. That's the biggest thing I see people. They get an RVSN, they make money on a good entry. And then they come back to it once the entry, you know, presents to where they had it before. And so right in here, I did play a size on the EMA 50 right in here. And then I went to the weekly chart, and you can see where you could get a nice entry right in here. I played it on the EMA 22. So look at this right here. 88 cents is on the weekly, and on the daily, we have it at 95. So 88 to 95 is your buy zone, and you can see all the way from here, we reached our 80-cent mark, and we pumped 24%. I took the fast conservative 10%. If I did not take that conservative gain, I would have lost on this trade. And remember, your stop loss should always be 15%. Anything more than that, you're risking too much. And so as you can see, price goes down and down. And it's totally fine if you lose the trade. So when I'm reviewing this one for my members in the Discord, do keep in mind, you know, you don't have to be perfect at everything, but you don't want to hold this thing. Let's say you have an average at a buck or buck 50, or let's just say you bought the peak and you bought it where my Keltner channel is, this upper red band. This is danger zone, never buy it, but you learn from your mistake. I just would not be holding dead money here. Play something else. I'm in lots of other stocks, and I mean, if you're in the swing trade alert section and you've been in my Discord, bam, Icon made, you know, is running 20% from my entry. I took my 10%. VLCN, I'm already up 10%. I'm in DATS. It's doing pretty good. Hollow, I took it as a double bottom bounce right in here. Clears support resistance. I took it as a nice trade. Got 10% fast in and out. XIFR got some gain, and I post all these trades of exactly what I'm teaching, of exactly what's happening. This is a bottom trend reversal, and this thing actually pumped pretty well. CYN, I got it at 5 cents, and that pumped over 20, you know, over 400% for my entry. But obviously we're never going to catch the tops. And so what happens is a lot of times you see these stocks make explosive moves up, and you're like, I want to be in that stock, right? I want to hold till it does something like that. And if you don't take base hits, what happens is you end up taking more losses than you should, and those 15%, those losses add up big time, right? By the time you hit a home run hit, who knows when it will be that you have so many losses that does it even really matter, right? But this is how I like to do it. This is my strategy. Obviously, as of now, it's in the downtrend. I'm not going to trade this thing till one, we have massive EMA 5 time distance, which right now we are just below it, one candle here. And this does not mean, this is the perfect thing to trade. I can clearly see that we are just in support and resistance here. We're just in a demand zone. You can clearly see that we're bouncing up and down, up and down, and up and down. It's either going to go straight down to this into another channel, or it's going to straight up. We don't know the direction. No one can predict this. This is just what I see. I see some big green volume here, and then all the rest is just red and green. So we just don't know. So to me, it's like flipping a coin at this point. I like to take the trades, and I made a video just before this one. I like to take the trades that are like this, where we have massive time distance from the 5. We're touching this lower Keltner channel, and guess what? We pump up over 800%. These are the kind of the A+ trades we want to be in, making 700% from the lows. If I want to take an uptrend stock, I've been taking KULR many times. As you can see from the EMA 50, we took this in the Discord. It pumped 40% in 50% in one day. And as you can see, we get close to the 50, pumping, close to the 50, pumping. But remember, we don't keep taking the same trades. But as you can see, it's been doing pretty well on that 50. We've been making lots and lots of money. RVSN is not that case, unfortunately. The EMA 50 is at the very top. This right here was our last line of defense. It did not want to hold up. It went up, and the minute it touched this EMA 5, it crashed down. So it just sucks. It is what it is. I know a lot of people had high hopes for this stock, but me, in my honest opinion, I cannot promote a stock that is in a downtrend or doesn't meet my bottom reversal. I like to see if we're at this bottom Keltner channel or we have massive EMA 5 time distance, and we just touched the 20 and 50. So if you do this strategy to a T, I promise you will be profitable. The hardest thing about this is, one, being patient. You have to understand that if this stock doesn't meet your requirements, one, you just don't trade, or you look for another stock. A lot of the times is a lot of people, they just keep asking about, hey, what do you think about this? And they're just so obsessed with that one stock. But there's thousands of stocks in trading that we can focus on many and many other stocks, and we can do really well with it. All right. There's always opportunities everywhere. You guys are more than welcome to join my Discord. I'm going to teach you guys, a realistic strategy, and not just giving you guys signals, but how to actually spot these trades and look around and get massive money doing it. If you guys want to join the Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. And when you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, I'm telling you guys, I'm going to give you guys the best deal of a lifetime. That even if you have small accounts or you don't have that much money, you could try this out to see if you guys like it. Hit how to subscribe. Right here, it will tell you guys everything you need to know. All you have to do is hit this day trade alerts right in here. And it'll ask you to subscribe for all my services for literally only $12 a month. If you subscribe during this month and you stay a subscribed member, it'll never go up in price. This premium price is going to go up more after this month, because I'm having lots and lots of people coming in. I want the serious traders, but I have no problem letting people that just want to try it out, and I can lock you guys in, because obviously when I'm making videos like this, RVSN, a lot of people are hurting. A lot of people are frustrated. I want to give you guys some little hope that trading is super hard. I am not going to tell you guys I'm the best trader in the world. I'm not going to tell you guys it is easy. If you do this strategy, you become millionaires. That is not the false hope I want to give you. I know a lot of Discords that will charge you $200 a month, and it's just a signals Discord, and it's a losing Discord because they're not teaching education. Whereas I'm going to teach you guys, one, how to find these trades, a realistic returns you can get. 10% base hits is all you need for swing trades. And what I like to do is I like to scale out. So if I take 10%, I put the rest of my shares break even, and I try to see how much more I can write up, 20, 30, 40, 50%, and just put my trail and stop every 10% as I go. And these are just little tricks you'll get, but yeah, come on in. I think you guys are going to love it. I don't think you have, guys, nothing to lose. You're going to, one, get a lot of strategies in your toolbox. These are the two strategies that I use, and I've become a full-time trader doing it. I do day trades and swing trades. If you guys get the day and swing trading plus, this gold membership right here, $12 a month, you'll have access to both. I love day trading the most. I get money every day doing it. But if you do subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. And if you have an Android, you will have to do it on your computer because they're having issues with Androids. But once you do that, you can use your phone app just as fine. But I just want to make a quick video. This right here is a downtrend stock. Look at the EMAs, look at your price, it's under it. Every time you hit the EMA 5, you're rejecting. You hit the 10 or 20 and 50, you reject. So you got to understand this is going to be a pump and dump until something changes for this company. At any moment, we can change. As you can see, we can get out of this trend, but also keep in mind when we are in a downtrend, it could last for quite some time. We hit this, go down 50, go down 50, go down 50, go down 50. And you see how we're just constantly rejecting every 50. And we go up, we can hit the 20 and go down. And these downtrends can last forever. I'm not trying to scare you, but this is why we got to protect our stop losses too, okay? But yeah, this is my conclusion of this. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Would love to see you in the Discord. Let's make some money together, guys. I really love this community. My passion is trading. And if you guys want to try it out, I'll be here for you guys. DM me. I do one-on-one coaching, live streams. I have it all for you guys. And I'll see you guys there. Peace out.